In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best AGM battery chargers available on the market. We researched web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the AGM battery charger list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the AGM battery charger mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Motorcycle Car Battery Charger 12V8A24V4A LCD Smart Charger. Experience a cutting-edge battery charging solution with this motorcycle car battery charger. With dual capabilities of 12V at 8A and 24V at 4A, this charger boasts an array of intelligent features. The automatic start function ensures hassle-free operation, while the pulse repair mechanism enhances battery life. The LCD display provides real-time insights into the charging process. Compatible with AGM, GL, lead-acid, and wet batteries, it caters to a wide range of vehicles, making it the go-to choice for efficient and versatile battery maintenance. Number 4, 35A12V/24V Car Battery Charger LCD Display HTRC P35. Unleash the power of the HTRC P35 car battery charger, delivering a robust 35A capacity for both 12V and 24V systems. The LCD display adds a smart touch, allowing you to monitor the charging process with ease. Designed for AGM, lead-acid, and GL batteries, this charger ensures fast and reliable charging for auto, moto, truck, and motorcycle applications. Whether you seek efficiency or power, the HTRC P35 is your dependable companion for maintaining optimal battery performance. This battery charger link in description. You can check more information and buy here. Number 3, FOXSUR Smart Car Battery Charger 12V7A AGM Gel Leaf APO4. Step into the future of battery maintenance with the FOXSUR Smart Car Battery Charger. Tailored for 12V systems, this charger boasts a 7A capacity and supports AGM, GL, and Leaf APO4 batteries. The built-in desulfator prevents sulfation, ensuring extended battery life. Fast charging capabilities make it a reliable choice for motorcycle enthusiasts, providing efficient and intelligent maintenance with repair features. If you want to get more information and buy this battery charger, please check the link in description. Number 2, HTRC P3535A12V24V Car Smart Battery Charger LCD Display. Empower your vehicle's battery with the HTRC P3535A Car Smart Battery Charger. This powerhouse delivers a formidable 35A capacity for 12V and 24V systems, complemented by a user-friendly LCD display. Compatible with AGM, lead-acid, and GL batteries, it caters to a variety of automotive applications. The HTRC P35 strikes the perfect balance between power and intelligence, making it a top-tier choice for those seeking reliable and efficient battery charging. Number 1, FOXSUR Portable 20A12V/24V Smart Battery Charger. Introducing the FOXSUR Portable Smart Battery Charger, a game-changer for motorcycle and car battery repair. With a portable design and a robust 20A capacity for 12V, 24V systems, this charger is your on-the-go solution. Supporting lead-acid, AGM, GL, PB, and Leaf APO4 batteries, it covers all your battery maintenance needs. The smart features ensure a seamless and efficient charging experience, making the FOXSUR portable charger the ultimate companion for those prioritizing convenience without compromising on performance.